Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Kumquat Papaya Daiquiri, what I refer to as a KP Daiquiri. To make this drink, we're going to start with the rum. 2 ounces of your white rum, 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Three-quarter ounces of your papaya syrup. 3/4 ounces is 22.5 milliliters. Look at that, perfect pour. 1/4 ounce of your kumquat syrup. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. And your lime juice. 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 15 milliliters. Add your ice, and give it a shake. I'm going to single strain this into my Anderson Ancestral Coupe. If you do not have an Anderson Ancestral Coupe, feel free to use any coupe that you choose. Garnish is going to be a lime wheel. And there you have it, a Kumquat Papaya Daiquiri, also known as a KP Daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.